Hi and welcome to a new video. Are you having trouble accessing your iPhone because the lock screen says it's unavailable? This usually occurs after several failed passcode attempts. In this video, I will show you quick solutions for this problem on your iPhone. Let's go. Normally, each failed passcode attempt has a corresponding period of time within which you cannot retry accessing your device. For example, 6 failed attempts in a row will disable your iPhone for a minute, 7 attempts for 5 minutes, and so on. If this is the case, all you have to do is wait for the duration to expire and then provide the correct passcode to regain device access. On the other hand, if the message states that the iPhone is unavailable without any time limit displayed, it means that your device has been permanently disabled. When this happens, the only way to regain access to your iPhone is to restore it to factory defaults. Remember that you will need access to the Apple ID linked to your iPhone in order to manually restore it using iTunes or Finder. Otherwise, the device will be iCloud locked and permanently inaccessible. If you don't have the Apple ID or iCloud password, please jump directly to the last timestamp and restore your iPhone using specialized software from Tenorshare. To restore your iPhone, you can use either iTunes or Finder, whichever is applicable to your computer. If you're using a Mac with macOS Mojave or earlier, or a Windows PC, you can use iTunes. For macOS Catalina or later, simply use the Finder app, which is pre-installed. After launching the app, connect your iPhone with an original or an MFI-certified cable to ensure uninterrupted transfer of data. If you don't have one yet, click on the tag to purchase a cable. Next, put your iPhone to recovery mode. Doing so varies for each iPhone model. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. If you have an older iPhone model, refer to the tag in the top right corner to learn how to put your device into recovery mode properly. After that, click on Restore button and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. You can also restore your iPhone from your backup if you have one stored on your computer or in the cloud. But I recommend to do this later when your device has returned to normal operation. If the previous method doesn't work for you, another alternative is to restore your iPhone online via Find My. However, keep in mind that this only works if you enabled Find My on your iPhone prior to the problem. Now, open your browser and sign into your iCloud account using the registered Apple ID of the locked phone. Once logged in, choose Find My from the dashboard. Then, click your pinned location on the map to display the configurations and choose Erase iPhone. Afterwards, your iPhone should automatically reboot and all of the device content and settings should be restored to factory defaults. Sometimes, restoring your iPhone using iTunes can be quite a hassle and doesn't prove reliable at times, particularly if you don't have your iCloud credentials. In this case, it's better to install a software and use it to unlock your iPhone. For this, I recommend Tenorshare 4U Key. With 4U Key, you can easily remove all security authentications on your iPhone, such as your Face or Apple ID, to regain access to your device. However, please note that similar to the previous methods, this process will erase all data on your device. Also, this software is not for free and most of its functions require a premium plan subscription. To download the software, click on the tag at the top right corner or find the link in the description below. After installation, launch the program on your computer and click the Start button. Plug in your iPhone and then click Next to continue. 4U Key will automatically recognize your device and provide you with the necessary firmware that matches your iPhone. Now, click the Download button and wait for the program as it processes the restore. Once completed, your iPhone should reboot and be accessible again. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.